Hey, how you doing? I'm going to talk to you today about mindset. I love mindset. Powerful, powerful reframes. And so many people, say to me, Theresa, this is too hard. We come from a microwave society. Everything has got to be, easy, simple. How to make a baked potato in 2 minutes or less versus putting in the oven for 45 minutes, right? This is too hard. And, changing that to this is how I get stronger. This is where the growth comes in, right? Is that we want to grow without anything being too hard. It's hard to reach out to sellers. It's hard to reach out to buyers. It's hard to make money in real estate. It's hard to make money when the interest rates are down, right? You're like, what do you mean? How's that possible? Anything is possible. Maybe you can't qualify. Maybe now because it's, the interest rates are low, maybe you're looking at this and the interest rates are down and you're thinking to yourself, well, how can I lose? Well, believe you me, prices all of a sudden can start climbing up in real estate. Then when the interest rates start to go up, you're going to come on and say, but it's hard. The interest rates are too high. I've seen 21.75% interest, and I think I've seen like 1% interest. Something crazy. I've seen it all over the years. And I'm telling you, in all my years of doing this over 35 years, is I've had more people come to me, this is too hard. And they've got excuses. This is where excuses come from. It's too hard. We make excuses because we don't want to grow. Sometimes we want to be complacent. You've got a comfortable job. You know what I say to my students? Is, you know what? Just so you know, if real estate is too hard and it doesn't work out for you, you can go back to your job. There'll always be a job. You can always get into someone else's dreams. You can always be part of someone else's goals. So you can always go backwards. What I want to do is I want to show you that growth, changing that mindset. This is how I get stronger. Yeah, stronger, building that mental muscle. When we're coming from this, again, we're a victim, right? Oh, you know what? Victim, all of a sudden I'm trying to spell victim. So, this is too hard. That's the victim mentality. We're making excuses. Get stronger. How do you get stronger? How do you do growth? You make more calls. You make more phone calls to sellers. You make more phone calls to buyers. You post more on social media. Whatever it is, this is how you get growth. Nothing happens. What happens to a plant when it doesn't grow? Dies.